In today's video, I will teach you how to easily straighten photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. First, open Lightroom and import the photo that you want to straighten. Then press D on your keyboard or click the Develop tab. Then click the Crop Overlay tool or simply press R on your keyboard. And within the crop options, locate the Straighten tool. Then drag the tool along a horizontal line or any line that should be straight in your image. Then Lightroom will automatically rotate the image to align with the line that you drew. Then adjust the crop area if necessary by dragging the edges of the crop box. Then press Enter or click Done to apply the straightening. The second method is using the Auto Upright tool. For this, scroll down in the Develop module to find the Transform panel. Then click the Auto button to let Lightroom analyze the image and straighten it automatically. This works especially well for architectural photos with defined lines. Then use the horizontal, vertical, and rotate sliders for fine-tuning. And to manually straighten your photo, simply press R to open the crop panel. Then rotate the image manually using the angle slider located below the crop options. Then use the grid lines that appear during cropping to align your photo properly. Then press Enter to confirm the changes. With these methods, you can easily straighten photos in Lightroom, ensuring they look professional and well composed. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.